Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your device's App Store. If you are using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type PayPal and press enter. Locate the official PayPal app in the search results. Check for the app with the PayPal logo to ensure its authenticity. Tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the PayPal app. You will be greeted with an introductory screen. Tap Get Started to begin the setup process. If you already have a PayPal account, select Login. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up. Choose between a personal or business account based on your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide your email address, create a password, and fill in necessary details. After completing the form, accept the terms and conditions. Tap Agree and create account to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address via a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Open your email, find the PayPal message, and click on the link to verify. Return to the app once your email is verified. Log in with your credentials if you're not automatically signed in. Next, link your bank account or credit/debit card to your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required payment information. Finally, review your details and confirm to finish the setup. You are now ready to start using PayPal for your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.